Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about reference qualifier in ServiceNow and understanding how to use a simple reference qualifier with a practical example. Let's start. First of all, what is reference field? Before learning reference qualifier, let's understand a reference field. A reference field is a field that stores a reference to another table. Go to all menu and search for incident. Click on new. Here we see caller is a reference field. Caller is reference for user table. And assignment group is also a reference field. Assignment group is reference for group table. Sys underscore user underscore group. So before a reference field is a field that stores a reference to another table. Like caller is user table, reference to user table. Assignment group is reference to group table. Assigned to configuration item. They are all called reference type and reference table. Assignment group refers the group sys user group. Caller refers the user sys user table. When we click the lookup icon, ServiceNow displays records from the reference table. Here we can see 641 references users are there. So what is simple reference qualifier? Here, when I right click configure dictionary, here we see here type is simple. Here reference is user table. Type is reference. Reference qualifier only works on reference table. So what is simple qualifier? Simple reference qualifier means it filters records using a simple encoded query. No scripting is required. Here I choose condition, active is true, and update the form. So here we see 641 active users is there in caller reference table. So again, I want email is not empty. Same processor. Go to configure dictionary and give condition. Email is not empty and update the form. You can check in caller reference. You can check here. You see here 612. Email is not empty. And again I want configure dictionary. I give another condition. Where I want department is IT. I want IT department. So update the form and check here. You can see here 117 is IT users. How? Check when I caller is you email. Here one info message is coming. The department automatically goes to IT. I write some client script here. That's why it automatically populates to department IT. So a reference qualifier filters the records displayed in a reference field. The simple reference qualifier uses a simple condition such as active equal to true to display only the required records. It is used to configure and improve the user experience. So one important question for interview is on which fields can we use a reference qualifier? So we can use a reference qualifier only on reference type fields. Common examples include caller, scholar, assigned to, assignment group, configure item, department, and problem. It filters the records displayed from the reference table. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials. Thank you for watching.